My name is Marken. I visit here at LIECI at the UFSCar in São Carlos. My home is the University of Bath. I work at the Department of Chemistry and I'm a physical chemist. In the collaboration with São Carlos, we are interested in basically how to convert energy. It's a big topic, taking sunlight and trying to convert sunlight maybe into electricity or in chemical products, maybe new fuels. And it's all to do with taking energy from the sunlight and trying to convert it into useful products. And the key aspect to this is materials. And so we are interested in making new materials and basically finding new ways to synthesize interesting structures and trying to find new ways of extracting energy from sunlight. And to give two examples, at the moment it's very interesting for us to look at iron oxide as a basically rust coated on as a thin film on a surface and looking at what happens when we pulse the light. And we found that there's an interesting switch happening between light on and light off. And another interesting area we are exploring is trying to find ways of absorb the energy of the light and then trying to take this energy and to take carbon dioxide and turn it into products. For example, ethanol and methanol, something basically mimicking what happens in photosynthesis in nature. It's there's sort of a step-by-step process. The first step is making a material and then characterizing that material. And so obviously these have to be maybe thin films on conducting surfaces to make electrodes, or it could also be just a powder. And there are tools in order to see what is the structure, atomic structure, what are the impurities, how much light is absorbed by the material just from the color of the material. And then the second stage is to look at the reaction with sunlight. And a very nice way of doing it is based on what's called electrochemistry. And so basically we have an electrode, and when we switch on the light, we actually measure current. And that current tells us what kind of chemistry happens, how fast the reaction is. We can find products. We can see what happens with different light, with different colors. Or maybe also when we change the intensity of the light. And so that really builds up then the idea of what could be done with this material. And then the final stage would be to really make a device or make something that could be used and would be taken out of the laboratory.